Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to customize my work in Monday.com. As you can see, this is my Monday.com dashboard, and on the left side, there is my work tab. You can click it, and this is my work page. As you can see, there are table and calendar. So you can manage all your item here, maybe your data, maybe your financial report and others. You can also add item here by clicking new item for the table, and then you can choose the boards and then the group and also the person status and that you can add it. And also for the calendar you can see the deadline, and if you want to customize it you can just click customize in the top right corner here. And then there are general, table and calendar. For general you can choose the people, so for the user you can choose so it's only me. And also you can choose which team task you want to view. You can choose tasks assigned to individual members or all tasks to this team and its member. It's up to you. And then for the boards, you can choose the boards you want to show. You can uncheck it. Also for the status column, you can choose the status, can customize it and that column, priority column. And for the table, you can choose to display it and as a complex, as a compact or context view. It's up to you. So it's the different, you can see. I'm gonna leave it by default. And for the calendar, you can choose the color, can change it, label, and also additional settings. You can choose to show hours or not, show color legend or not. It's up to you. And then, yeah, I think it's only that. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.